Hi students, good morning. In this session, we are going to discussing the some another problems. So, JEE mains per chapter binomial theorem. Okay, let us start now. See the another problem. If the term independent of x in the expansion of root x minus k by x square whole power 10 is 405, then the value of k is. Okay. See the solution. What is the given term here? That is root x minus k by x square whole to the power of 10 whole to the power of 10. In that expansion, the independent term of x is 405. The term independent of x in that expansion is 405. Then what is the value of k? Now we are writing the independent term for t. What is r? R is equal to np by p plus q. Here we are writing np by p plus q. If the term independent of x in the expansion of root x minus k by x square whole power 10 is 405. Now we are writing the r value. What is the r value? That is np by p plus q. That what is n? N is 10 into what is p? X power 1 by 2. That is p is 1 by 2. Here p value 1 by 2 and q value is 2. Okay. From that we are getting here 10 by 2, that is 5 by here we are getting the LCM is 1 plus 2 into 2, 4 by 2. that is 5 by 5 into this is 2 is coming to numerator, 4 plus 1 is 5. We are getting r is equal to 2. Here getting r is equal to 2. Now we are writing the independent term. What is the independent term? That is independent term is t or that is t or 2 plus 1. T 2 plus 1 is the independent term. So in that we are writing the term is what is the independent term? That is 10c2 into what is the we are writing directly the independent term is where the formula we are direct formula using. We are using the direct formula, that is independent term is equal to NCR a power n minus r b to the power of r. So that is given 405. So that is given 405 is equal to NCR. Here n is 10c, r is equal to 2. 10c2 into a. What is a? That is the coefficient is 1. 1 power 10 minus 2, 8. What is b? What is b here? That is the coefficient minus k to the power of r. R is equal to 2. So that is nothing but 10c2. That is 10 into 9 by 2 factorial. 1 power anything on here k square. That is 405. So okay. From that we have to cancel 10. That is 5 2s are and 5 8 1 81. So these two will be cancelled. 9 9s are cancelled. Here getting k square is equal to 9. Here getting k square is equal to 9. Therefore k is equal to plus or minus 3. That k value plus or minus 3. Okay. K value is plus or minus 3. Okay. See the problem. If the quotient of x to the power of 7 and x to the power of 8 in the expansion of 2 plus x by 2 whole power n are equal, then the value of n. Okay. See the solution. Given expression is that is 2 plus x by 2 whole to the power of n. In that expansion, x to the power of 7 and x to the power of 8 coefficients are equal. That is given data. So this can be expressed in the sigma notation, that is NCR into 2 to the power of n minus r into x by 2 to the power of r. So that is the expansion of the given expression. Now we are writing the coefficient of x to the power of 7 in that expansion is what is here, x to the power of 7. We are taken r is equal to 7. Then NC7 2 to the power of n minus 7. Here we are writing the coefficient only, that is 1 by 2 whole to the power of r is we are taken 7. Okay, that is the coefficient of x to the power of 7. And we are writing the coefficient of x to the power of 8. For that x power 8 coefficient, we are taken r is equal to 8. That is NC8 2 to the power of n minus 8 into 1 by 2 whole power 8. Given that these two coefficients are equal, given that these are equal, that is NC7 2 to the power of n minus 7 1 by 2 whole power 7 is equal to NC8 2 to the power of n minus 8 into 1 by 2 whole power 8. Okay, this will be cancelled. We are getting here 1. Now here, that is now we are taken, that is NC7 by NC8, that is equal here 2 to the power of n minus 8. So what is here, 2 to the power of n minus 7, moving to that side, this is minus n plus 7. Okay, this plus n minus n will be cancelled. That is here what is minus 8 plus 7, that is 2 power minus 1, that is 1 by 2. Now we are transposing NC8 by NC7 is equal to 2. So what is here, NCR by NCR minus 1, using that formula, n minus 8 plus 1 by 8 is equal to 2. From that we are getting n minus 7 is equal to 2 into 8, 16. That is n is equal to 16 plus 7, that is 7, okay, 23. Okay, so that is 23. N value we are obtaining here, therefore n is equal to 23. Okay, the problem, the sum of the binomial coefficients of third and fourth terms from the beginning and from the end of a plus x whole power n is equal to 440. Then what is the n value? So that is the problem here. See the solution. Here given expression is that is a plus x whole to the power of n. So in that expansion, the third and fourth terms, the sum of the binomial coefficients of third and fourth terms from the beginning. Now we are writing T4, that is T3 and T4. What is T3? That is T2 plus 1. That is the sum of the binomial coefficients. We are writing the third term, then that is NCR a to the power of n minus r. What is here r? R is where T, 2. R is equal to 2 into x to the power of r, that is 2. That is the, what is the coefficient here? NC2, this is the coefficients. NC2 a power n minus 2. That is the coefficient of sum of the binomial coefficients. Okay, here we have to find the sum of the binomial coefficients. What is the binomial coefficient here? NC2 only. Okay, so this is the binomial coefficient of, that is NC2. What is T3? That is T4. That is T3 plus 1. That is NC3 a power n minus 3 x power 3. What is here? The coefficient is NC3. Okay, so these are the terms from the beginning. So now we are writing the from the end. What is the third term? That is t n minus r plus 2. That is t n minus r. R is here third term. That is 3 plus 2. That is t. What is the term? That is n minus 1. That is n minus 1. So now we are writing this term is we are taken. So t n minus 1 term, that is t n minus 2 and minus 2 plus 1. Okay, taken. R is n minus 2. So that is the quotient here. That is nc n minus 2 into a power n minus minus, that is a power 2 and x power n minus 2. So what is here the quotient? nc n minus 2. Okay. So now we are writing the, that is the third term from the end. Now we are writing the fourth term, that is t n minus fourth term, that is 4 plus 2, that is t n minus 2 here, t n minus 2. That can be written as t n minus 2 is t n minus 3 plus 1. Now what is the term here? That is nc n minus 3 into a to the power of 3, a to the power of 3 into x power n minus 3. So this is the quotient. So sum of the quotients of from the beginning and end of third and fourth terms. The sum of the quotients, sum of the binomial quotients is equal to, what are the fourth third term quotient is nc2, here nc3, nc2 plus nc3. From the end, these are the terms, that is nc n minus 2 plus nc n minus 3, nc n minus 3. Now we have to find this, that is nothing but nc2 plus nc3. This can be written as nc n minus of n minus 2, that is nc2, this is nc3. Okay, that is 2 times of nc2 plus nc3. That is using the formula NCR plus NCR minus 1. What is the formula here? NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to N plus 1 CR. Using that formula, here NCR, NCR minus 1, this is R is 3, R minus 1 is 2. That is N plus 1 C3. Okay, that is 2 into N plus 1 C3. Okay, that value is given 440. Okay, so given that the sum of this, given that here this value 2 into n plus 1 C3 is equal to 440. That value is given. So that is 220. N is 2 is cancelled. Then n plus 1 in C3, that is n plus 1 n minus 1 by, that is 3 factorial, 3 into 2, that is equal to 220. Okay, so that is n into n plus 1 into n minus 1, that is equal to 220 into 2 into 3, 6. So now this can be written as in the consecutive product of n natural numbers. Okay, so 3 terms, 3 successive natural numbers. Okay, this can be written as that is okay, this will be cancelled. Here 10 into 22 into 6. This 22 can be written as 2 into 2 11s, 11 into 2 into 6. That is 2 into 6 is 12, 12 into 11 into 10. So this is n plus 1, n minus 1. Okay, so what is n value here? Therefore n is equal to 12. we are getting the value of n is 12. Okay. See the next problem. If the quotient of 2r plus 4 1th term and 4r plus 5th term in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 10 are equal, then what is the value of r? Now we are finding the value of r. See that the solution. What is the given expression here? That is standard binomial expression 1 plus x whole power 10. In that expansion, we have to write the quotients of 2r plus 1th term quotient. What is 2r plus 1th term? That is 10cr. What is r here? 2r into x to the power of 2r. Here the quotient is 10c 2r. Next, what is the term t? 4r plus 5. That is 4r plus 5th term. That can be written as 4r plus 1, 4r plus 4 plus 1. This 5 can be written as 4 plus 1. That is equal to, what is here? 10cr. What is here r? 4r plus 4 into x to the power of 4r plus 4. Okay, what is the quotient here? 10c 4r plus 4. 4r plus 4 is the quotient. So given that these quotients in the expansions are equal. Now given these two are equal. That is 10c 2r is equal to 10c 4r plus 4. What is the formula we are using here? NCR is equal to NCS. NCR is equal to NCS implies n is equal to r plus s or r is equal to s. R is equal to s. So using this formula, we are writing here r is equal to s. What is 2r is equal to 4r plus 4. That is 4r is equal to 4r minus 2r. 4r minus 2r is equal to minus 4. That is 2r is equal to minus 4. So r is equal to minus 2. We are not taken this one. So r must be positive integer. Now we have taken another formula, that is n is equal to r plus s. So 10 is equal to 2r plus 4r plus 4. That is equal to 2r plus 4r. That is 6r. 6r plus 4. That is 6r is equal to 10 minus 4. That is 6. R is equal to 1. We have taken r value is 1. R is equal to 1. Okay. The value of r is 1. If the quotient of rth term and r plus 1th term in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power 20 are in the ratio 1 is to 2, then what is the value of r? Then what is the value of r? We have to find the value of r. See the solution. So what is the given expression? That is 1 plus x whole power 20. In that expansion, r the term and r plus 1 the term coefficients are in the ratio 1 is to 2. Now we are adding r the term. That is t r minus 1 plus 1. That is 20c r minus 1 x power r minus 1. So this is the quotient of r the term. That is 20c r minus 1. Next t r plus 1 the term. That is 20c r x to the power of r. This is the quotient 20 CR. These quotients are in the ratio r the term r plus 1 the term quotients are in the ratio 1 is to 2. That is given 20 CR minus 1 by 20 CR is equal to 1 is to 2. That is nothing but 1 by 2. Now we are adding that is cross multiplying 2, then here 20 CR by 20 CR minus 1. This is NCR by NCR minus 1 formula. That is N minus R plus 1 by R. We are writing NCR by NCR minus 1 formula. Okay. From that here 2R is equal to, that is 21 21 minus r. So from that here 3r is equal to 21, r is equal to 3 sevens 21. So the value of r is 21. This is the required value of r. R is 7. Okay, another problem. The quotient of a power 5 into b power 3 into c power 2 in the expansion of a plus b plus c whole power 20. In that expansion, we have to find the quotient of this a power 5 b power cube b cube into c square. This quotient we have to find. Okay, now see the solution. What is the given expression here? That is a plus b plus c whole power 10. Now in that expansion, we have to find the quotient of this value a cube a power 5 b cube into c square. Quotient we have to find it here. Okay. Now we are writing the general term for this trinomial expression. So in that three terms a plus b plus c whole to the power of n. Now we are writing the general term. That is general term. That is 10 factorial by. Now we are taken here. We are finding the a power 5. Okay. Now we are writing a power 5 b power second term, that is cube and c square. Now we are writing 5 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial. So what is the general term? Where a plus b plus c whole power n. The general term is that is n factorial by p factorial, q factorial, r factorial, a power p, b power q and c power r, where p plus q plus r is equal to n. So this is the general term of trinomial expression. Okay, a plus b plus c whole power n. Now we are writing like that. Here we are finding this quotient a power 5, b power 3 and c power 2. So this quotient is nothing but here in that general term. This is the required the quotient of this term a power 5 b power 3 and c square. Quotient is 10 factorial by 5 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Now the quotient. Therefore, we are writing the quotient of a power 5 b power 3 c square is equal to 10 factorial by 5 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial. Now we are simplifying this one. This 10 factorial, 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. Here we are writing 5 factorial. Here 3 factorial into 3 into 2 into 1 and 2. Okay, this 5 factorial will be cancelled. 3 into 2, 6 and this 2 5s are 10. Okay. Now we are simplifying this one. We are getting 2520. We are getting multiplying this one. We are getting 2520. This is the quotient of a power 5, b power 3, c power 2 in the expansion of a plus b plus c whole to the power of 10. In that expansion, this term quotient is 2520. Okay, another problem. The quotient of x square y cube in the expansion of 2x plus y plus 5 whole to the power of 7. In that expansion, we have to find the x square into y cube quotient. Okay, that is the problem. See the solution. What is the given expression here? That is 2x plus y, 2x plus y plus 5 whole to the power of 7. In that expansion, we have to find the x square into y cube quotient. Okay, now we are writing the general term. The general term is equal, here n is 7 factorial by here we are to finding the x square quotient. That is x square quotient. That is we have to write the first term is 2x whole power. We are finding the square and y power 3. That is second term y cube into third term 5. Okay. Now we are writing here 2 factorial into 3 factorial. Okay, here 2 factorial into 3 factorial. Here we are to writing the third term power is what we are writing here. So the total is 7. 3 plus 2, that is 5. So remaining total is 7. What is here? P plus Q plus R is equal to N. What is here? P is 2 and 3. We are writing this value N is equal to 7. The remaining term is 5. 5 plus 3 is 7. Okay. Now I have taken here 2 factorial. This is 2 factorial. Okay. Now that is the power of 5. That is 4 plus 3. That is 7. So P plus Q plus R is equal to 7. Okay. What is here the quotient of this one is 7 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 square into 5 square. What is here remaining? That is x square into y cube. This is the quotient of x square into y cube. Now I am writing the quotient of x square y cube. Therefore, the quotient of x square into y cube is equal to 7 factorial by 2 factorial is 2, 3 factorial is 6 into 2 factorial is 2 into 2 square 4 into 5 square. 5 square is 25. Okay, now this will be 2 into 2, 4 will be cancelled. That is 7 into, okay, 7 into some factorial, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. In denominator only 6 into here 25. So this 6 will be cancelled. Now we are multiplying these remaining values. We are getting 21,000. Okay, this is the quotient of x square into y cube in the expansion of 2x plus 5 whole to the power of 7. Okay. See that we have to find the independent term of x in the expansion. Now we have to find r is equal to np by p plus q. That is the formula for finding the independent term. Okay. So what is here n? N is equal to 20 and what is p? P is 1 by 2 by what is here p? P plus q. That is p is equal to 1 by 2, q is 1 by 3. That is 2 tens are. That is 10 by here what is the value? That is LCM is 6. That is 3 plus 2 by 6. Okay. That is the LCM. Here 10 into 6 by 5. 5 2s are 10. That is 12. So here R is equal to 12. So now we are writing the independent term. What is TR plus 1? TR plus 1 is the independent term. That is here R is 12. T12 plus 1 is the independent term. Now we are writing the term is 20C R is 12. Here first term is 2x whole power 20 minus 12 into second term minus 3 into x power, that is x power minus 1 by 3 whole to the power of r. R is 12. Okay, that is in 20c. 20 minus 12, that can be written as 8. 20c 8. Here 2x to the power of that is 8. Next here 12 is positive. We are getting 3 power 12 into x power minus 12 by 3 minus 4. Okay, so that is equal to 20c8 here 2 power 8 into 3 power 12 into x power 8 minus 4, that is 4. So what is the independent term is here? Therefore TR plus 1, that is the independent term in that expansion is this one. 20c8 2 power 8 into 3 power 12 into x to the power of 4. That is the independent term in the expansion of 2x power 1 by 2 minus 3 by x power 1 by 3 whole power 20. Okay. The next problem. If a fifth term is the constant term in the expansion of x power 2 by 3 plus 1 by x whole power n, then what is the value of n? Now I have to find the value of n, that is okay. See the solution. What is given expression here? Given that is x power 2 by 3, x power 2 by 3 plus 1 by x whole to the power of n, whole to the power of n. In that fifth term is the constant term. In that fifth term is the constant term. T5 is the constant term. Okay, that is T 4 plus 1 is constant term. Therefore, R is equal to 4. So, for the constant term, that is nothing but the independent term in that expansion. So, in that independent term, R is equal to 4. So, how to find the value of R? R is equal to NP by P plus Q. Here R is equal to 4. What is here N? N is N. And what is P? P is 2 by 3 by, what is P plus Q? That is 2 by 3 plus here x power is 1, that is Q is equal to 1. Okay, now from that we are writing here 4 is equal to here that is 2n by 3 by, in denominator LCM is 3, that is 2 plus 3 by 3. So the 3 will be cancelled. Here 4 is equal to 2n by 2 plus 3, 5. 1, 2 is cancelled. Here n is equal to 5 into 2, that is 10. So we are getting n value is n is equal to 10. Okay, the value of n is 10. Okay.